In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PlayStation Network name or your PSN name on your PS5. You can also do this on your PC by logging into your PlayStation Network and changing it there. But if you're trying to do it on your PS5, there's a couple easy steps. So first, we're going to scroll over to the top right and click on our profile. So click on your profile icon. And then here, we're going to go down and select our profile. And you can see in this navigation, if you scroll to the right, it gives you the option to edit your profile. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then here we scroll down to our online ID. So select your online ID. And then it gives you some important information. And if you're okay with all of this, you can go ahead and click accept. And then click continue on the second page. And then here is where you sign in to your PlayStation Network account. And then once you're signed in, it brings you to this window where you can change your online ID. Now, as you can read at the top, your first change of your PSN name is going to be free. But if you're going to do it consecutively after that, it is $10 to change your PSN name. So stick to what you want. Otherwise, it's going to cost you. So don't do anything embarrassing. Just change your name to something you'll like for the rest of your life. Yeah, so you get that first change free. So go ahead and type in that online ID, and then you can go ahead and click that confirmation button, and then you've changed your PlayStation Network name on your PS5. So hopefully this is helpful. Thanks for tuning in.